Could a tiny, foldable e-bike actually replace your daily commute and make it fun? This Jasion JC1 claims to pack a serious punch in a compact package, and honestly, it's quite a surprise. You might look at its 14-inch wheels and think it's just for short hops, but this little machine is ready to tackle much more. Underneath its sleek, high-carbon steel frame, the JC1 hides a robust 600-watt peak brushless motor. That's a significant amount of power for a bike this size, delivering a maximum torque of 50 Nm. What does that mean for you? It means effortlessly gliding through city traffic, conquering those unexpected steep hills without breaking a sweat, and reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. It truly feels like it's punching above its weight class, making every ride feel surprisingly zippy and capable. Power is great, but range and charging are just as crucial. The built-in lithium battery is UL 2271 certified, which gives you peace of mind regarding safety. And when it comes to getting back on the road, it charges fully in a mere 3 to 4 hours. That's incredibly fast, allowing you to top up during a lunch break or overnight and be ready for another adventure. With a maximum range of up to 30 miles, it's perfect for daily commutes, running errands, or just exploring your neighborhood without range anxiety. Now let's talk comfort, because nobody wants a bumpy ride. The JC1 features both rear suspension and a shock-absorbing seat. This combination works wonders, effectively soaking up the impact from bumps and uneven surfaces. Even with its smaller wheels, the ride feels remarkably smooth and stable, almost as if you're floating on clouds, which is a huge plus for longer journeys or less than perfect city streets. Safety is always paramount, and Jasion hasn't overlooked it. The bright 400-lumen headlight ensures you're well lit during nighttime rides, illuminating your path clearly. And the rear brake light is an essential feature, alerting others when you slow down or stop, keeping you visible from all angles. Riding the JC1 is incredibly versatile thanks to its 3 modes. In pure throttle mode, you can simply twist and go, controlling your speed from 1 to 20 miles per hour without pedaling at all. If you're looking for a bit of exercise, the pedal assist mode provides moderate assistance, making your ride easier while still giving you a workout. And for those times you want a traditional cycling experience or just want to conserve battery, simply turn off the key and pedal it like any regular bicycle. The single-speed design keeps things simple and straightforward. One of the best parts: it comes mostly pre-assembled. You won't spend hours wrestling with tools, you'll be out riding in no time. And being a foldable e-bike with 14-inch wheels, it's incredibly convenient for storage in small apartments or taking on public transport. The pink color option also adds a fun, distinctive touch. Overall, the Jasion JC1 is a surprisingly capable and comfortable folding e-bike. It delivers impressive power and range for its compact size, making it a fantastic option for urban commuters or anyone looking for a fun, efficient, and easy-to-store personal electric vehicle. It truly redefines what a small e-bike can do.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.